from the floor of the CME Group. This is September 21st on a Tuesday, and we're in the midst of a one-day Fed meeting, which the release comes out about 1:15. Anyway, I'd like to cut to the chase and get back to what happened on expiration Friday. It was a mirror image, more or less, of what happened on the June expiration. And that following Monday, on June 21st, is when the S&Ps made a high, the December contract up to 22.90. Well, since then, July 1st saw the year lows. Now with this other expiration on last week of the September contract, another quadruple witching expiration led to a non-event. Top Notch did come out, and he was looking for that ascending right triangle for a possible bullish move higher. But there was a little question mark on that expiration, and that was a concern. The big thing is the cash came out, opened up at 1131.14, under 1131.23, but spiked up to 31.41, but then the rest was history. They got below that 31.23 and just traded sideways all day. And then what happened? A mirror performance of what happened that following Monday from June to yesterday. A huge rally. Top Notch put out they should be good between 22 and 21, and then when they went down to make a low of 21.5 in the pit, 21.25 in the mini, and when they followed through getting above that last high of June 21st at 22.90, they were good to go all day. Top Notch was recommending, looking for a short possibility at 35.90 to 38. They did go 16, 17 handles higher, but they didn't care. Late in the day, they went 19 handles higher. They make a high of 40 even in the mini, 0.25 in the mini, even in the pit, and it's just phenomenal. But however, the settle at 36.60 was key. So we come in this morning, and right before the open, the mini shoots up to 39.75. Top Notch is thinking that's a double top. The last time, if it mirrored the June expiration, we'd see a pullback today. And so far, there's been just a slight pullback, opened up at 38 to 38.5. Never saw the light of day again. We've made a low of 33.60, and it just so happens that's Top Notch's pivotal price at 33.80. If they're going to be no good and we're going to see a further erosion, the key, especially in both of these futures, the NASDAQ, 1977 low. It's their daily pivot from yesterday's range. The S&P, 1132.20. Daily pivot? Well, that's the low on the Globix on the mini. So those will be key when the Fed releases their news today. If they decide to go up, they're going to get above the opening ranges, and the S&P is going to shoot for 43.90, followed by that total objective of 48.10. Downside, if we can see them breach that 32.25 low on the mini, I'm looking for 25.90, followed by a possibility of 14.40 today. That's a long shot at best. I'm not sure what the Fed has in mind. It's all going to be on the verbiage or how they word it, etc. So until then, take it one step at a time with Top Notch Trading. Back tomorrow.